how to change contact name on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in this quick video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we'll simply go to phone contacts. Press go to phone contacts. Here for example you want to change your any contact name. So basically you need to change in your phone contacts, and once you change that name, after that that person name will be changed on WhatsApp. Contacts app and WhatsApp are automatically connected. So that's how you guys can change it. If you don't know how to change a contact's name in Contacts app, let me tell you how you guys can do this. For example, that was my random contact. For changing that, I would simply click on that pencil on top right corner. Here I will simply edit it, and once I edit it, after that I will click on save. And once I click on save, that's it. The contact name will be changed here, and also it will change on WhatsApp. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.